Welcome to Abdul Joomla Extension Stores. Mydocs Restricted Docs is a Joomla document management component allows user to view only their own documents. Why does your website need the Mydocs Restricted Docs? As per name suggests, it restricts your documents on your website. So if you have any sensitive documents on your website that you only want certain registered user on your website can view, and even more, they can view their own documents and not able to view other registered user documents on your website, then this component will help you to obtain its functionality on your website. With it, deeper sub-level of categories are also supported. Its key features include easily managed document categories from backend, restrict user to only view their documents, set expired date of documents, ability to have tag system for your documents, fully responsive data layout, no need for advanced coding, multilingual support available on request. And let us see how it is actually. This is single installable document zip file, and the installation is very easy. As like we have other extensions to install from Joomla administration, simply browse for file and or drag and drop this file into this area. And as I have already installed it, I will not reinstall it. After the installation, under the component, we will have my documents, including three menus: documents, document category, and tags. In order to create document, we will first go to the document categories. Here I have created bunch of categories with the multiple subcategory levels, and we are using the core Joomla categories component so that we can achieve maximum functionality. After that, we can also create tags. Tags are just like content component, article component tags. It will be used to sort the document in front end. And lastly, inside the documents, we create some document. Like I have created a document, and inside document edit or creation form, we assign access to some user, give title, select the category, select the tags, its expiry date, and file associated with this entry, and a description and status, published or unpublished. And we have to set the permission access. Now, after that, we create some menu that assign to the documents or category mode. Let me show you. This is the category view. On the front end, it is something like that. This is the category view, and inside the category, the document associated with that category will be shown, and the all document menus is basically will be showing the document of that respective user. Here I have logged in as a user. Before I log out, if I am not logged in and go to the all document, it will ask me to log in. After login, I can see the document for my user. And this is the interface. Here is the title and description, and this is the link to that file. Okay. Now I am not able to see the other users' documents that are inside my website. So that was a brief description of the my document component. I hope you like.